Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
The next important document in the standardized work is the standardized work chart. Standardized work chart shows the work sequence movements and it shows physical work process layouts. It helps us to understand if the standardized work is followed and if there are any problems with the standardized works and the ways to improve the standardized works. This kind of document is very popular with the Toyota production systems. In fact, the Toyota production systems wants to verify the work sequence or if there is problem with the standardized work frequently using the standardized work chart. It's very easy to draw the standardized work chart. For your ease, I have made and attached a free template. Please do not forget to download the free template. On the right hand side, we can see the different boxes here. And there are also different symbols such as this diamond shape for quality check, the cross symbol for safety check, and the solid black round symbol for standard working process. And we need quality checking during weighing and mixing and also during packing. And we need safety checks during filling. This arrow represents the process flow. First of all, we wait, then we mix, then we fill, and then we go for packaging. And finally, the dotted arrow shows the final step of the process. So this is the final process. We link the final process with the initial one with the dotted arrow, simply meaning this is the end of the process. It's quite easy to drag and drop the standardized work chart. Simply press the Ctrl key and drag the item. Similarly, we can drag multiple items and we can change the description here. Similarly, we can move the arrow and we can move the different symbols.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.